Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of jeans or trousers to fit a 12-inch DC Superhero Girl doll. Now, you might remember my stories about Betty the bus driver during Black History Month. To learn more about Betty, please visit my site. You'll need to anyway, because before we begin, we're going to go to chellywood.com to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. There's a Jake doll pictured on the pattern because these jeans also fit Spin Master Jake. There's a link in the description to help you find the right pattern page on my website. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here. Working with two opposite direction pant legs, lay one pant leg on top of the other, keeping your right sides together. Sew from the top of the outseam to the bottom of the outseam. The outseam's the seam that runs from the hip down the pants. You're going to open the pant leg up like this and lay it flat. Then press the seam open, the seam that you just sewed. That's what I'm doing here. Now that the seam has been neatly pressed, baste a decorative stitch down each side of the seam. And again, that's what I'm doing here on my tiny little sewing machine. Here's a closer look at my decorative stitches. Follow these directions for both pant legs. Place pant legs right sides together and sew a seam from the waist to the bottom of the crotch. Okay, your jeans or pants are going to look something like this. Next, let's work with the pocket for just a minute. Begin by folding each pocket in half, like you see me doing here. Press the pocket to keep it solidly folded. Fold the three raw edges in and press again. Sew along three sides of the pocket to hold those raw edges down. Add decorative stitching. Then use your pattern to guide the placement of your pockets as you attach them to the jeans on three sides. Fold the pants waistband once and then a second time to create a hem at the top. Hem the waist with a whip stitch. If you need help with the whip stitch, please see the description below for that tutorial. Hem halfway down each crotch as well. Fold the jeans right sides together and finish sewing the rest of the front part of the crotch. So now half of the front crotch is hemmed, while the bottom half has been sewn together. Hem just one pant leg at the bottom of it. Again, I use a double fold hem and then I whip stitch just like we did with the waist. Fold the pant legs together as shown and pin them. You're going to sew from the hemmed pant leg to the crotch, across the crotch, and then one halfway down the other leg, stopping your stitches when you reach the knee. I do that to make it easy to hem the second pant leg. That way you can make sure leg lengths will match. Compare the two sides of the leg as you hem it. Once you have finished hemming this second pant leg, you can finish sewing from the knee to the bottom of the hem. Invert the jeans. Now, From time to time you'll see me use a chopstick when I'm inverting because it can really help with teeny tiny little pants. So we're going to turn it right side out, add a snap or two to the open crotch, and now it's time to try the jeans or trousers on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. Hey, did you know that you could design your own doll pants patterns from scratch with just a limited amount of sewing knowledge? Pattern design is made simple by connecting your doll's measurements with a template I give you during my course. I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer. I own Chelly Wood LLC and the website chellywood.com. In my Creative Spark online learning course on doll pants design, I'll teach you the basic fundamentals of pattern design, like how do seam allowances work, before we move on to work on designing our own leggings, jeans, fly front pants, and even overalls. So please join me. I would love to see you on the Creative Spark online learning platform. Come see what we offer. Again, I'm Chelly Wood, one of the instructors.